Alright, gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang. Alright, gang, so we're back for another video. In this video, we're going to be explaining market structure because it's extremely important that you understand market structure if you want to make money in this market. Okay? Market structure meaning that price will make higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. You have to understand that. You have to understand market structure. You have to follow market structure so you know when to get in for a buy and when to follow market structure. You have to understand that. All right. So price will go up and then bounce back down, go up, bounce back down, creating market structure, higher highs and higher lows and higher highs. This is market structure. All right. So when price is in the uptrend, it's going to make market structure. It's going to make a higher high and a higher low and a higher high and a higher low and a higher high and a higher low and a higher high. You have to understand this. You have to understand when price makes a higher low, it's going to show you once price makes a higher low, it's going to show you some type of candlestick pattern letting you know price wants to make a higher high. You have to understand that, as you can see, it showed us a bullish engulfing pattern, yellow candlestick engulfing the black candlestick. Again here, yellow candlestick engulfing the black candlestick. Again here, yellow candlestick engulfing the black candlestick. We also see a morning star pattern, black candlestick, star, yellow candlestick, and we're in an uptrend still going all the way up. All right, so you have to stick to your trading strategy. Okay, this is more for your psychology, but you have to understand when to enter for a buy. You enter for a buy. These are 3 times you could have entered for a buy when price made a higher low. When price is at its lowest point, you want to scroll into the 5-minute or the 15 to see what price is actually doing, and look at more market structure to see where to get in for a enter. So you want to buy low. You could have got in right here at 1786, 1788, and 1790 as prices all the way at 1797 right now. So you want to buy when it's low. You want to be able to identify these candlestick patterns right here. You want to be able to identify these candlestick patterns. This is a bullish engulfing pattern that we see as price made a higher low. When price started going down at the end of a downtrend, at the end of a higher low, it will give you some type of candlestick pattern letting you know that price it wants to continue in this uptrend. As you can see, we're in an uptrend. So it's extremely important to understand market structure, to understand when price bounces back down, it will give you some type of candlestick pattern letting you know that price wants to bounce back up. Do the same thing over and over and over and over again. Okay, as you can see, more patterns right here. You can see more patterns right here. Boom. Go to the As you can see more patterns right here. What is this? A bullish engulfing pattern. Saying it will do the same candlestick patterns over and over again. When it makes a higher low, when it bounces back down, scroll into the 5-minute and see what type of candlestick patterns are being formed. We see a bullish engulfing pattern, yellow candlestick, engulfing the black candlestick here, here, and here. This is a morning star pattern. It's at the kind of at the top, as you wouldn't want to enter for a buy at the top. You want to wait for price to make what? A higher low. Once price makes a higher low, look for candlestick patterns. We see a bullish engulfing pattern. We see a yellow Marubozo pattern. Boom, yellow candlestick pattern, single candlestick pattern, yellow Marubozo candlestick pattern. So we have to understand market structure. When price heads up, it will head back down. When it heads back down, it will give you a candlestick pattern over and over and over again. So it's extremely important to understand these candlestick patterns. When price head down, it'll give you a candlestick pattern right here, here, here. You can see the candlestick patterns. This one's really not a good example as price is kind of high. And then it drops back down. You don't want to get in on a higher high, okay, because then it will make a higher low. And depending on your lot size, you might not be able to hold that trade. All right, so you do not want to get in at the top. You want to get in off the higher low. Once price bounces back down, look for these candlestick patterns. So this really is a really good example right here. These 3 right here are good examples. As you see, price made a higher low. You see a bullish engulfing pattern, letting us know that price is heading back up. Okay, bounce back down, see another single candlestick pattern. We see another candlestick pattern, and let's know that what price is heading back up. Same thing over here again. It will make a higher low. Boom, give us a candlestick pattern. Boom, you see yellow candlestick, engulfing black candlestick. It will give us a candlestick pattern right here. Boom, letting us know that price is heading back up. As you see, after seeing this yellow candlestick engulfing this black candlestick, after seeing buyers engulf this black candlestick, this is called a bullish candlestick pattern. This is one of our double candlestick patterns. You see it here, 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 and here. Notice once price makes a higher low, notice it will give you a candlestick pattern, and then it will head back up. As you see, it made a higher low, gave us a bullish engulfing pattern, and headed back up. Made a higher low again, gave us a bullish engulfing pattern, and headed back up. So it'll do the same patterns over and over and over and over again. Extremely important to understand market structure. Okay. It just won't go up, 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 and make higher highs and higher highs and higher highs. No, you'll have to wait for market structure, and we'll scale down to the 5-minute and 10-minute to see market structure for entries. So you buy when it's low, you buy when once price bounces down, once it heads down, you buy when it's low. Once it makes a higher low, then you can enter for a buy. Boom! If you would enter for a buy here, 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 or here, you would still be in profit as price is still headed all the way up. You see we're in an uptrend. So you could have gotten here, 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 or here. And what did price do after it made a higher low? It made a higher high. Boom, and we're in an uptrend. Boom, all the way up. So you're in profit this whole time. Extremely important to understand. Price will create a higher low, and then it will give you a pattern over and over again. You can see that made a higher low, gave us a pattern uptrend. Made a higher low, gave us a pattern uptrend. Made a higher low here. Boom, gave us a pattern, and we went up. So price will do the same thing over and over again. I have candlestick patterns on here as well. As you can see, I have candlestick patterns on here as well. As we go to my page, you can see I have a whole entire session, about 30 to 40 videos explaining understanding candlestick patterns. So you need to so extremely important that you understand candlestick patterns. Watch these videos, as they'll tell you exactly everything about candlestick patterns, as I already broke all the videos down explaining how to understand candlestick patterns during an uptrend and a downtrend. It's extremely important that you're able to understand candlestick patterns during an uptrend or a downtrend. I have a whole session explaining understanding candlestick patterns on my YouTube, on my page. You can check it out, and these will help you identify and be able to recognize the candlestick patterns, bullish engulfing, Marubozo candlestick, hammer, yellow Marubozo candlestick, bullish engulfing, tweezer bottom, morning star. You'll be able to identify these candlestick patterns. I have a whole session on my YouTube understanding candlestick patterns, so make sure you check that out. I have over 30 videos like explaining understanding candlestick patterns, how to identify them. Extremely important that you understand how to identify these candlestick patterns, as they'll show you when price is reversing back up, when it's in a downtrend or an uptrend. So check that out. Extremely important for your psychology to help you understand and make money in this market. All right. So I will help you as well. So make sure that you check that out. As price will do the same thing over and over. Price will make the same structure over and over and over and over again, gang. So extremely important that we understand candlestick patterns and we're able to identify them and understand them. As price will do the same thing over and over and over again. So I just wanted to break that down. You see a yellow Marubozo candlestick. It's on a 15. We see more yellow candlesticks. You see a bullish engulfing pattern, yellow candlestick engulfing the black candlestick. Then what? Uptrend. So right after it made a higher low, it gave us a candlestick pattern, yellow candlestick engulfing the black candlestick. So I have that all on my YouTube, helping you understand candlestick patterns. As you'll see this over and over again, and prices won't go up, 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 up. It'll make a higher low. Give us a 3. You see this 3 soldier pattern, 3 yellow soldier pattern, and then it'll go up from there. All right, gang.